This Sufi music evening has been brought into light by the Golden Shine Trust. And to tell you something about the Golden Shine Trust, uh, this is a uh, this is a trust which empowers the disabled and impaired in vision people through music to provide music education to persons with disability. You can sponsor a child's music education or send in your donations. The beneficiaries are conferred professional training in music and music instruments for practice. They also provide stage opportunities. We create stage opportunities by music enthusiasts with visual impairment and other disabilities. Our organization hosts events to unfold the employment prospects in the field of music and arts. Before we start the program, I would like to go ahead with some of the support appeal that I would like to make. You can pay through Paytm number of NAB donations 9212319 I'll repeat the number 9212319 for any donations for NAB Delhi. Coming to Golden Shine, we have 100 students who are taking professional music training and many others that we would like to reach out to. We have made mobile applications which are developed specially for the music lovers who are disabled and who have impaired vision. Once again, a very warm welcome to all of you for a Sufi music concert featuring some of the most talented artists who are all set to mesmerize you with all their renditions of the soothing Sufi melodies. This concert is a joint initiative by Golden Shine Trust and NAB Delhi to support the disabled singers and musicians who have lost the sources of earning their livelihoods because of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. About the organizations, Golden Shine Trust. Golden Shine Cultural Welfare Trust was established in the year 2018 with the purpose of providing music education and employment opportunities to persons with disability. The organization stands by the truth that no disability holds the potential of disabling art in a person. We aim to provide the best possible training and performance experience to our beneficiaries. Our main objective is to encourage such persons with disability who fail to pursue quality and accessible music education because of the physical as well as physical constraints. NAB Delhi has been a pioneer in initiating services for children with visual impairment since 1979. The organization focuses on education and skill development. NAB also gives training on deaf blindness to NGOs working in the disability sector. It aims to send students with visual impairment to mainstream school and to provide better hearing and learning environment and resources to children with disabilities. NAB Delhi believes in the holistic development of the children, hence, along with academics, gives equal importance to arts like music. Now I would like to request Mrs. Bubbly Kala to please come on screen. Bubbly Kala, ma'am, she is a friend and a supporter of Golden Shine Trust and many more NGOs in India and abroad. She has spent a better part of her productive years in the service and helping the needy. She strongly believes that with a little dedication, love, care and sharing, we can make a difference. She is an integral part of the Indonesian-based international foundation VADA, and she is the chairperson of VADA India. VADA stands for Where All Discover Hope. Hope to get an opportunity, hope to build future, hope to have a place called home, hope to dream, hope to be loved again, hope to find comfort, hope for anything and everything and many more. It's our honor, ma'am, to be present with you, us, to have you with us in the evening. Without any further ado, I would like to request ma'am to enlighten us with a few words of wisdom.
Good evening, namaste, ladies and gentlemen, friends. First of all, let me congratulate all the wardies of today. And it is with great honor and pleasure that I join you today as a part of this wonderful fundraising event, MEDA, which is organized by Golden Shine Trust in collaboration with NAB to support the families of those persons with disabilities who have lost all source of their livelihood due to the ongoing pandemic. Golden Shine, which you all know about, but I really would like to say few words about Golden Shine. Golden Shine, which was started by Ankur and Chetna to provide free and quality music education to the person with disabilities. Ankur and Chetna, who rose despite the challenges they had to face in early part of their life, but they had faith and courage to face the situations as they came and utilized every opportunity they got to move forward. It is with their hard work and dedication that they have been able to rise and meet the challenges. And once again, I say that I am proud to be associated with Golden Shine Trust and help people in need realize their dreams. I want to thank the team that has put this together and all the participants who have worked so hard to perform for us. No words can really completely capture my heart when I think of how Golden Shine Trust are doing and the milestones that they have achieved in so before taking your turn, before taking too much time of yours, let's begin. But before I say that, before I want to say we are really thankful for our dedicated and committed supporters who fought for our cause and making Golden Shine what it is today. And I urge you to continue supporting us. Thank you. All the best to all the participants.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much for those encouraging words. Now, to move ahead a little bit in the evening, मोहब्बत मेरी क्या इबादत नहीं है, मोहब्बत मेरी क्या इबादत नहीं है, वो एक नूर है जिसकी सूरत नहीं है, शायद इसी को सूफियाना कहते हैं. अब ज़्यादा समय ना लेते हुए मैं आप सबको ले चलूँगी अंकुर की ओर, जहाँ उसकी आवाज़ हम सब के लिए इंतज़ार कर रही है. अंकुर जी, ओवर टू यू.
बहुत खूब फरमाया आपने शिल्पा मैम. मैं इससे पहले कि हम कुछ भी गाना बजाना आज का शुरू करें, मैं धन्यवाद करना चाहूँगा उन लोगों का जिन्होंने हमें ज्वाइन किया हुआ है और यूट्यूब पे, फेसबुक पे, और उन लोगों का हमारे गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर्स, हमारे स्पेशल गेस्ट जिन्होंने हमें हमेशा की तरह सपोर्ट किया है और हमारे साथ जो बने हुए हैं. और मैं इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहूँगा हमारे सभी बैंड मेंबर्स का. एक करके मैं सब लोगों को इंट्रोड्यूस करता हूँ और उसके बाद हम लोग डेफिनेटली आज बहुत अच्छा कुछ कोशिश करेंगे कि आपको आपकी जो इवनिंग है वो एकदम म्यूज़िकल और इंथ्रॉलिंग बन जाए. First, I would like to start with Mr. Nigel, who is accompanying us today on keyboard, on bass guitar. So I think it will be better if you guys can just play something while I introduce you guys, so that everyone knows what what lovely talents you guys are. So we have Nigel on keyboard. He's the best. He's one of the best keyboardists we have in Delhi. So we're quite fortunate to have him. On bass guitar पर हमारे साथ है महेश, Mr. Mahesh. On guitar we have Mr. Garvit. ये सारे म्यूजिशियंस बहुत ही टॉप नॉच म्यूजिशियंस हैं दिल्ली के, और हम लोग यकीन मानिएगा बहुत ही खुशकिस्मत है जो ये आज हमारे साथ प्ले कर रहे हैं. और लास्ट बट नेवर द लीस्ट, ऑन परकशंस, तबला और पत्नी व्हाट नॉट, वी हैव मिस्टर मोहित विद अस. और जनरली ये हमारे इवेंट्स की जान होते हैं म्यूजिक में. तो एंड अलॉन्ग विद मी वी हैव अरुण भाई, ये बहुत ही बेहतरीन गायक हैं, बहुत ही बेहतरीन ये रूह से गाते हैं. तो इनकी आवाज़ में भी आपको आज डेफिनेटली बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है. वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव तस्मै सर्वे कार्येषु आज इबादत आज इबादत रूबरू हो गई. जो मांगी थी, जो मांगी थी उस दुआ में रूबरू हो गई. मेरे मौला, मेरे मौला, मेरे मौला, तेरा शुक्रिया. आज इबादत रूबरू हो गई. घेरों से आ गए उजालों में। दर्द के घेरों में, दर्द के घेरों से आ गए उजालों में। दर्द के घेरों से आ गए उजालों में। इश्क के चिराग का नूर है ख्यालों में। नजरों में तेरी चाहत दिल पे रहफू होगी, दिल पे रहफू होगी। मेरे मौला, मेरे तेरा आदत रूबरू हो गई। केसरिया आवोनी, केसरिया केसरिया उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब लोगों को आगाज़ तो अच्छा लगा है तो प्लीज़ कमेंट्स में बताते रहिए। हो सके तो थम्स अप करते रहिए, जिससे कि हम लोग को पता लगता रहे कि भाई आपके रिएक्शन कैसे हैं। अब यहाँ पे तालियां तो हम सुन सकते नहीं हैं, तो आपके कमेंट्स मिलते रहेंगे बढ़िया बढ़िया, और वाओ रिएक्शंस आते रहेंगे, तो हमें पता लगता रहेगा कि आपको अच्छा लग रहा है। और अच्छा लग रहा है तो मैं दूसरा ऑप्शन बता ही नहीं रहा, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि आपको अच्छा लग रहा होगा। तो ओवर टू यू शिल्पा जी।
वाह, मैं सारी स्क्रिप्ट भूल चुकी हूँ एक्चुअली, क्योंकि इतना सुंदर सूफ़ी और इतना अंदाज़ बयां करने का सुंदर था कि शुक्रिया करने को दिल चाहा और चाहता रहेगा। और अब मैं शुक्रिया उनको भी करना चाहूँगी जिन लोगों ने हमें स्पॉन्सर किया है, हमें हेल्प किया है। सो आई वुड लाइक टू थैंक आवर स्पॉन्सर्स airtrip.com, Civic Services, Tatsat Foundation, Dave Pickle and TuskersResort.com. Someone has very well said that all alone we can do a little, but together we can do a lot. So we believe that we can get your valuable support. Our dream of providing music education to such persons with disability who have the passion to learn but are not able to because of their financial constraints which were not fulfilled. You can support us by donating an old unused musical instrument, by sponsoring music education of a beneficiary, and for more details you can contact us on the numbers that are scrolling below. In fact, I would like to share the number with you. If you have a pen and a paper, you can please write it down. 9811 550755. I'll repeat the number. It is 9811 550755. और अब मैं गुजारिश करूँगी अंकुर जी से कि वो एक और परफॉर्मेंस के साथ हमें नवाजें।
जी ज़रूर। कहते हैं कि अपनी छब बनाई के जो मैं अपनी भूल गई, जो छब देखी पीहू की तो मैं अपनी भूल गई। तो इस तरीके का आप लोगों का इम्पैक्ट है हम लोगों पे, हम सब की जो ऑडियंस है, ये आप सभी लोगों का प्यार है कि इस कदर हम लोगों का मोटिवेशन बना रहता है आर्टिस्ट्स का कि आप लोगों के लिए गाते रहें, आपको एंटरटेन करने की कोशिश करते रहें। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप सब लोगों को ये अभी तक पसंद आ रहा है और उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आगे भी पसंद आएगा। तो आप डेफिनेटली कमेंट्स करते रहिए और जितना हो सके दिल खोल के इस इनिशिएटिव को सपोर्ट कीजिए, क्योंकि शायद हम थोड़े खुश नसीब हैं कि इस पैंडमिक इस पैंडमिक से हम थ्रू हो पा रहे हैं। बट ऐसे भी कई कलाकार हैं, कई परिवार हैं जिनके पास इस महामारी की वजह से इस ये जो स्थिति पैदा हुई है, इसकी वजह से कोई भी काम नहीं है, कोई अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ नहीं है और उनका सर्वाइवल भी बहुत मुश्किल हो रहा है। तो मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगा जितना भी आप दिल खोल के डोनेशन कर सकते हैं, सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं, और कोई भी अमाउंट छोटा नहीं है, मैं आपको कहना चाहूँगा। तो आप कुछ भी सपोर्ट करना चाहे प्लीज़ कीजिए।
re
मेरे नैनन में जो पलक ढांप तो है लूं ना मैं देखूं ना मैं देखूं गैरन को ना मैं तो है देखने दूं ना मैं देखूं ना मैं देखूं गैरन आओगे जब तुम हो साजना अंगना फूल खिले बरसेगा बरसेगा सावन झूम झूम के दो दिल ऐसे मिले छाप तिलक सब छीन रे उसने मिले छाप तिलक सब छाप तिलक सब छीन उसने मिले छाप तिलक सब छीन उसने छाप तिलक सब छीन उसने ये मेरा विचार है कि इंसान के जिस्म का सबसे खूबसूरत कोई अंग होता है तो आँख यानी कि नैना 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 आ हो छाप तिलक सब मोसे नैना 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 मिलाएंगे छाप तिलक सब छीन रे मोसे नैना मिलेंगे छाप तिलक सब छीन रे मोसे नैना मिलेंगे खुसरो निजाम के बल बल जाइए खुसरो निजाम खुसरो निजाम के खुसरो निजाम खुसरो निजाम के खुसरो निजाम के खुसरो निजाम के बल बल खुसरो निजाम के बल बल जइए मोहे सुहागन की खुसना सब चीज
परफॉर्मेंस। अंकुर जी, किसी दूसरी दुनिया में ले गए आप हमें। खैर, वापस आते हैं। And before we move on to the next performance of the evening, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude towards Pure Hearts Club for supporting us, and special thanks to Mr. Ishan and Mrs. Shilpi Singh, who are our friends from Dubai, who have been immensely, important to us because they have been supporting us in the sales of the tickets. Thank you so very much, all the way from India. इश्क की चाकरी मिलती नहीं खैरात में। चाकरी मतलब किसी की नौकरी करना। इश्क की चाकरी मिलती नहीं खैरात में, दिल में फ़कीरी है और फितरत सूफियाना चाहिए। तो अगर फितरत आपकी सूफियाना नहीं है तो शायद ही आपको इश्क की चाकरी मिले। अंकुर जी, अब आपकी अगली पेशकश का इंतज़ार।
राग पहाड़ी बहुत खूबसूरत राग है। मार डाला नजरिया मिलाई के, मार डाला रे, मार डाला नजरिया मिलाई के, मार डाला रब बंदे ज़ाती को जेब कपड़े जेब कपड़े दी ज़ाती कपड़े दे विच कपड़े दे विच रूह है लुकिया, जिथे विच बंदे हो जवे विच बंदे दे तू रब मने हो तुझ बिन जीना भी क्या जीना, तेरी चौखट मेरा मदीना, जीना जीना हो तुझ बिन जीना भी क्या जीना, तेरी चौखट मेरा मदीना, हो तुझ बिन जीना, तुझ बिन जीना, तुझ बिन जीना, तुझ बिन जीना। और ना सजदा गवारा रब मनिया तू मन मेरा रब मनिया अली मौला अली अली मौला अली 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 मौला अली अली मौला अली अली मौला अली मौला अली मौला 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 रे मौला अली मौला अली रे मौला रे मौला अली अली मौला रे मौला अली मौला अली मौला रे मौला अली मौला 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 अली मौला रे मौला अली मौला 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 अली मौला रे मौला अली मौला मौला अली मौला रे मौला अली मौला अली मौला रे मौला अली मौला 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 अली मौला रे मौला अली मौला अली अली मौला रे मौला अली मौला मौला 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 रे मौला अली मौला अली मौला रे मौला अली मौला 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 अली मौला रे मौला अली 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 मौला मौला अली अली रे मौला अली मौला मौला अली मौला रे मौला अली मौला मौला अली मौला रे मौला अली मौला 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 अली मौला रे मौला अली मौला 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 अली मौला रे मौला अली मौला मौला अली मौला रे मौला अली मौला मौला अली मौला रे मौला अली मौला मौला करे 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 रब मनिया तू मन मेरा रब मनिया रब मनिया रब मनिया रब
जी हाँ तू माने या ना माने दिलदारा असीता तेनू रब मनिया। खैर आप माने चाहे ना माने हमने तो आपको रब मान ही लिया। यस आवर ऑडियंस आवर सपोर्टर्स everyone who is working for a good cause and especially helping us out with it is हमारा रब। अदा से देख लो जाता रहे गिला दिल का, अदा से देख लो जाता रहे गिला दिल का, बस एक निगाह पे ठहरा है फैसला दिल का। जी ये सिर्फ एक महज शायरी नहीं है, मैं आप सबका ध्यान एक ऑडियो वीडियो डॉक्यूमेंट्री की तरफ ले जाना चाहती हूँ। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन प्लीज़ all eyes towards the audio visual documentary on Golden Shine Foundation Trust. Thank you. To recognize and reward the hard work put in by the individuals and groups working in the field of music in the disability sector, Golden Shine Trust has proudly instituted the Musicable Awards. Our organization has shown unyielding dedication in the field of music. Hence, we believe no disability impedes a musically abled individual from flourishing. Starting from this year, the Musicable Awards will be given every year to a person with disabilities who have shown their undying passion in the field of music. My Visual impairment cannot stop me from dreaming big and entertaining the world with my melodies, were the thoughts that always clouded the mind of this young, talented girl, Geetika Lohart, who hails from Bhopal. Geetika is pursuing her PhD in music and has qualified NET, that is NET JRF, and is a B grade artist in Ghazal at Akashwani Bhopal. She has taken part in TV reality shows like Saregamapa and Rising Stars. She has performed several stage shows with organizations like Drishti Foundation and Radio Uran. But according to Gitika, this is just the beginning of her journey, and she has a lot more to do to mesmerize the world with her soulful voice. We extend our heartiest congratulations to Ms. Gitika for receiving the Musicable Award 2020 for the Best Emerging Musician. Now let us all see a small audio video of Gitika. May I now request Mrs. Pooja Banga, founder of Beat Support Foundation, to present the award to Ms. Gitika. May I request Gitika to say a few words?
Hello.
Yes, yeah.
Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are.
नमस्कार सभी को और मैं दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ रैप दिल्ली और गोल्डन शाइन ट्रस्ट का जिन्होंने मुझे ये अवसर प्रदान किया और इतने बड़े अवार्ड से नवाजा है। पूजा मैम का भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद और स्पेशल थैंक्स जाता है चेतना जी और अंकुर जी को जो इनके ही प्रयासों से मैं यहाँ आई हूँ इतने बड़े अवार्ड फंक्शन में मुझे आने का एक मौका मिला और आज जितने भी अवार्डी हैं उनको मैनी मैनी कंग्रेचुलेशंस। थैंक यू सो मच।
Thank you very much. The next award is for the Best Cultural Organization. The Musicable Award for the most and the best cultural organization goes to Udan Entertainment Group. The year 2005, the place Mumbai, two college mates were clutching their college degrees tightly lest they fall because unfortunately they both are blind. Though their chances of getting a job were very, very bleak, these two have brave lads kept their chin up. They mulled over the idea and of launching their own small business. As both were in love with music, they finally settled on the idea of forming an entertainment group. Keval Harya and Deepak Betsa thus put together a band of 12 blind artists. Holding the rehearsals and the first show was daunting task. Yet, with single-minded determination and support from a few friends, they inched closer towards realizing their dream, and on the evening of the 19th December 2005, the curtain rose on the first stage show of Udan. The musing response by the entrapped and the audience bolstered their spirits. They they have been on their own and their pasts are milestones away. This extraordinary band of 60 visually disabled but highly talented professional musicians, singers, dancers, acrobats have regaled audiences worldwide with their breathtaking performances, rendering latest and retro superhit Bollywood numbers. Their repertoire is astonishingly vast, belting out Hindi, English, Gujarati, Marathi music in more than 1,000 concerts held in the best of auditoriums in India, the USA, Canada, and Dubai. They have had appearances on television shows, radio programs, and print media interviews. T Series released their music album also. These accomplished Uran musicians have been accompanying Bollywood playback singers and celebrities as well. They have had the honor of being invited to entertain guests from among the top corporate houses, NGOs, and government bodies. Surprisingly, they may be one of those rare people who, though being handicapped themselves, have been doing charitable activities for others since 2011 through their Mumbai based registered trust Udan Foundation. We extend heartiest congratulations to Udan Entertainment Group for receiving the Musicable Award for the Best Cultural Organization. Let's have a quick look at the audio video of Udan Entertainment Group. I would request Mrs. Pooja Banga to present the award.
Hello everyone.
Hello, ma'am.
Good evening everyone. I'm Pooja Banga and I'm the founder of Corporate Support Foundation and co-founder of Soul Safety Wellness Foundation. I'm sure you must be enjoying this Sufi evening as much as I'm doing. So I want to tell you a little bit about Corporate Support Foundation, which is a trust formed with a mission and vision towards an inclusive society and to support specially abled artists to perform and show up their talent to the world. So today I'm honored to be a part of this platform and really feel proud to be a part of this great cause. I really want to congratulate Ankur Gupta and Chetna Nagpal of Golden Shine Welfare Trust for their hard work, compassion, and consistency towards their love for music. I truly enjoyed this Sufi evening, and with this, I am just remembering these two lines. There is no greater disability in the society than the inability to see the person as more. Ankur Gupta, Chetna Nagpal, I really congratulate you for the kind of work you are doing for the society and you are inspiring the whole world with what you are doing. We are really, really proud of you. We have been associated with Golden Shine from couple of years and it feels so much pride to see you rise and shine and grow so beautifully. Today I am here, Pooja Banga, to facilitate the awards winners for the category Best Emerging Musicians, who's Gitika Lohar. We just heard her and how beautifully, she's leading her life. And I would like to congratulate Gitika. You have proven the world with your talent and compassion that we should not judge disability with its visibility. You have dreamt big and you have proven the world that anybody can do anything if we, it's just our limited beliefs which makes us constrained to the big world. So, Gitika, this is for you. Yay! You have won this. Congratulations. This trophy will be with you soon. Thanks to virtual platform that we could do this. Thanks to Golden Shine for organizing this. And the second award category is Best Cultural Organization in the Disability Sector. And I extend my gratitude and congratulate Udan Entertainment Group. Congratulations, Keval Haria and Deepak Betsa. You guys are big source of inspiration to the whole world. This is for you. All the best for your future, for your all future endeavors. You have done proud, and this is for you. You will be, getting this soon. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Ankur Gupta, and thank you, Chetna. Thank you, Golden Shine, for giving me this opportunity. And all the best to all of you. And you guys are doing great. And I love each and every performance of yours. Anku, you are the bestest and you are blessed with the voice you have. All the best. Take care. Thank you.
Thank you very much, ma'am. कभी सूफियाना तो कभी हुस्न यार खूब लिखता है, कभी सूफियाना तो कभी हुस्न यार खूब लिखता है, उस शख्स को भी खुदा को भी क्या महबूब दिखता है। कहने का मतलब ये है कि अगर आप सूफियाना अंदाज में कुछ भी कहेंगे तो आपको खुदा ही लगेगा, चाहे वो मोहब्बत ही क्यों ना हो। Moving on to our next performance, but before we do that, I want to appeal to each and every one of you that please support us, like us, donate, so that you can hear a lot and lot of music in the times to come. Ankur, over to you.
चेक जी 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 हमारा माइक ही बंद कर देंगे तो कैसे काम चलेगा?
हेलो 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 हेलो।
तो मैं भी यही अपील करना चाहूँगा कि NAB दिल्ली और गोल्डन शाइन ट्रस्ट को जितना आप सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं प्लीज़ कीजिए। मैं अपने बारे में बताऊं तो मैं खुद एक NAB दिल्ली का एलुमनस हूँ और आई एम वेरी 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 प्राउड टू से दैट। सो आई एम द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ NAB दिल्ली और दिस organization has been doing rather beautiful work since last 40 years. तो आप लोग देख पा रहे होंगे नीचे बॉटम स्क्रोलर पे कि इनके हमारे वेबसाइट लिंक्स डेफिनेटली आप प्लीज़ विजिट कीजिए और जितना हो सके सपोर्ट कीजिए। बुल्ले नु लोकी मत्ती दिंदे बुलिया आवे जा विच मसीती। बुल्ले नु लोकी मत्ती दिंदे बुलिया आवे जा विच मसीती। विच मसीता दे की कुछ होंदे जिद लो नमाज पार दोवे लता गुडे अंदरो रहे पलिती। तेरा दिल खड़ा है मुंडे कुड़ियों सजदे करे मसीती। दुनियादारा दुनियादारा रब दे नाल भी 400 बीते किती। 400 बीते किती। Come on everyone, आप लोग जहाँ पे हैं डेफिनेटली हैंड मूवमेंट और डांस करना चाहे कर सकते हैं। ना कर बंदियां मेरी मेरी ना कर बंदियां मेरी मेरी। Huge round of applause for this beautiful band. ना कर बंदे
खुदा मैं तेरी दुआ ना कोई होर मंगदी. In these times of pandemic, we all actually pray for everyone's being safe at home and be safe from the deadly COVID-19 virus. Well, moving on to the next part of the evening. This evening, our guest of honor is Mr. Vikram Dutt, 68 years old. Vikram Dutt wears many hats. Member of Secretary, a well-known Indian Spinal Injury Center. He retired as a professor and principal of DME College of Indraprastha University. This was important to mention, but he has not been able to join us tonight. Coming on to our last performance by Ankur. अंकुर जी, कुछ ऐसा हो जाए कि हम कभी ना बोल पाए और हमारे ऑडियंस भी ना बोल पाए.
कहते हैं कि अच्छी सूरत को संवरने की जरूरत क्या है. अच्छी सूरत को संवरने की जरूरत क्या है. सादगी में भी कयामत की अदा होती है. ये नारा शहबाज कलंदर झूले लाल कलंदर नामेली 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 शहबाज कलंदर शहबाज कलंदर अले अले शहबाज कलंदर शहबाज कलंदर झूले लाल सिंध पीड़ा तेरी कुछ जुगलबंदी करने से मैं अपने आप को रोक नहीं पाता। इस कलाम की पेशकश हो गई।
मेरे पास अब शब्द कुछ ख़त्म से होते जा रहे हैं, लेकिन जाते जाते मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी, नज़र से नज़र को सलाम आ रहे हैं, कि नज़र से नज़र को सलाम आ रहे हैं, फिर उनकी तरफ से पैगाम आ रहे हैं। और मैं ये चाहूँगी कि आप सब इसी तरह से गोल्डन शाइन को सपोर्ट करें, उनकी वेबसाइट विज़िट करें। आपकी एक छोटी सी कंट्रीब्यूशन, छोटा सा डोनेशन भी हमारे लिए बहुत बहुत अजीज़ और मायने रखता है। Ladies and gentlemen, before we call it a day, now I would request on stage Miss Chetna Nagpal, founder trustee Golden Shine, to please deliver a vote of thanks.
Thank you so much, everyone. I would like, first of all, to the co-founder of Golden Shine, Mr. Mohit Rathore, to join me here on stage. Sir. So, till the time Sir joins us, कितना भी acknowledge करूँ, कितना भी कहूँ, कम रहेगा. I would like to, first of all, thanks the wonderful, wonderful musicians. Thank you so much. 3 cheers to you guys. इस शाम को हसीन बनाने में, रंगीन बनाने में आप सबका सबसे बड़ा योगदान रहा है. I would like to thank the artists. I would like to thank our partners, National Association for the Blind, for supporting us, for being with us in this journey. I would like to thank Mr. Prashant, sir, to support us, to always be there with us. I would like to thank Pure Hearts Club for their wonderful support. I would like to thank SL Foundation for always being there, for always holding our hand and never leaving us. I would like to thank Offbeat Support Foundation and Pooja ma'am for her ever lasting support. And if I'm forgetting anybody, then I'm so sorry. Everyone, all the audience, now I would give it over to Mohit sir to acknowledge the other supporters.
Good evening, everyone. I would really like to thank our sponsors, Dave Pickle, Tusker Resorts, Civic Services, Airtrip, and last but not least, Tatsat Foundation for being our media partners. I would really thank you all to help us to make this evening possible. Without you, it would have been very difficult in these difficult times. Thank you for coming out and supporting us. Thank you.
And last but not the least, how can I forget? Thank you so much, dear Shilpa ma'am, for making the evening so memorable and beautiful. Thanks a lot for being there with us and being such a wonderful host. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you, Chetna Nagpal, and thank you, Mohit, so much. Thank you for acknowledging me. It's my proud privilege, and I think it just fell into my lap. I'm really thankful to the Almighty for giving me this opportunity to know such wonderful people like you, Ankur, Mohit, and everyone else here. Thank you so very much. Thank you, our dear audience. Thank you for supporting us. Keep supporting us. Lots of love and light to you all. Be safe, be home. That's a victory sign for you guys. Thank you.